Donna here with PMP Crafters. Welcome back to the channel. So I created a graduation newspaper and did not record me creating it. So this is what it looks like. So what I want to do with you guys today is I want to edit this and show you how you can put things in, and then I will put this on my site for you guys to get if you would like. Okay, so we have the newspaper here, and this newspaper is on a 24 by 18. So if you would like to create your own, you can. But what you would do is put in the landscape, 18 by 24, 24 by 18. You put those numbers in, and then you'll come up with your blank sheet of paper. And then all I did was make sure that my rulers were here, and I dragged my ruler over so it would give me my center. And so now I have that here. Now, let's make some edits to this because I want to give it to you guys without my client's pictures on there. So we're going to go ahead and remove these. And this is what you would do to put your client's pictures in there. So you would click on here, of course, delete image from the frame, and delete image from the frame. Now that I have that, I'm going to go ahead and drop in what would be my client's photos, and I'm going to use this one here. I believe I want to put this one on the front, so I'm just going to drop that one in. Then for my back, I'm going to use this one here, and I'm going to drop that in. Now, it is in color. If you want to leave it in color, you can leave it in color, but I want to change it to bring it to make it look more realistic, like a newspaper. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to go to edit. Once edit comes up, I'm going to go into filters, and I'm going to check my filters to see if I can get a newspaper feel and if I like it. So they have a newspaper here, which gives that. To me, that is too dark. So I'm just going to look at a few others. I like this one. The film feel looks amazing. And if you don't like what it looks like, let me just go back to newspaper, for instance. If I don't like the way it's like, oh, all of them are giving me too dark, then what I would do is I click newspaper, and I'm just going to go to adjust, right? And then I can just brighten it. You see how I brightened it and it made it look so much better? You can brighten it. You can also make this into, let me go back just to give you guys an example. We're learning something today in Canva, right? So let me go back, and then let's just say, hey, I'm going to brighten her just a bit, and then I am just going to take the vibrance out of it, okay? And then you can take the saturation out of it, and you have a black and white photo. It's just that simple. So I can do it like this, or I can take the easier route and just go into the filters and use the filters. Now I'm going to leave that one like that just because we have it. In this one, I am going to go in and use the filter. See what it looks like. Now see, with the filters here, I kind of, no, I don't really like that one. And it's, of course, you can change you can adjust it, right? You can do that. You can adjust it. Now, I like this one. One thing that we can do, let's see, I think I'm just going to keep that one like that. So that way you have an option. There is a filtered version versus us editing in color and adjusting the colors and things. Okay, so now that we have that, we're just going to do simple things like change the name. Let me see, I got to see what name I actually called her. Okay, so I went back into my things. Her name is Summer. So in some of my other videos, that's what we called her. Her name is Summer. So we're just going to change it to Summer. Summer beat the odds. Okay. Okay. And so now right here, I'm just going to take that name off. All right, so now we have, if you want to leave it like this, of course, we could change the date because she may not be graduating that day, okay? She's going to be graduating, if I can get it. She is going to be graduating, we're going to have her graduate June 7th, okay? All right, and then this is it, you guys. If you want to change this information, want to change this, you can. If you have a personal message from the parents, have them type it up and then you just copy and paste it in to make your life easier. And then what you'll do is you'll go to File, Save, and you want to save this as a JPEG and at high quality because you will be printing this out pretty large. And I'm just going to go to my local Staples to print this out. Here's the finished product of the one I did for my client. I absolutely loved it. It turned out great. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Happy crafting.